In this video, we're going to be reporting on who is in or was in a specific campaign sequence. So specifically, we're going to look at who's active in a particular sequence within a campaign, then we'll look at some of the options. So specifically, we're going to look at navigating to reporting mode, and then the campaign sequence report itself. So inside Infusionsoft, you're going to want to go to the marketing section and go to campaign builder. And then you're going to want to find the campaign we want to report on. So because there's somebody active in here, I'm going to go into this take rate calculator test campaign. And when the campaign loads, we're going to go to reporting. And you'll see that this now gives us some information here. And if I go ahead and hover over this and click on the blue person symbol, this is going to display the list of contacts that are active in that specific sequence within the campaign. And so that's what this report is showing. It's all the contacts who are active within that chosen sequence. Now by default, this report is showing contacts who are active in the sequence, but there are actually 3 other states a contact can be in with respect to a specific sequence. So active means the contact is in the sequence and is waiting to receive all the steps within it, including a timer that may be at the end of a flow. Queued means that the contact has received all the steps within the sequence and did not move ahead in the campaign. They did not achieve a goal further down the line, and they did not automatically flow into another sequence. And this is the orange number that you saw at the bottom in reporting mode. The done sequence means that the sequence has done its job, and it's pushed the contact ahead to a goal, or they automatically flowed into another sequence. So in this particular report, we can also change it to show people that are in either of these statuses. Regarding the done status, we also have the ability to choose a stop date for when they were done as well. And this can be very handy to find out how your sequences and campaigns are working. This report can also be accessed directly through the marketing reports. It lives down here in the campaign contacts. Of course, you would have to manually configure it, which is why I'd recommend going through reporting mode to save yourself a bunch of time. In the next video, we're going to be reporting on who is queued to receive a specific campaign step.